This tiny little watch costs less than rupees 1200, but somehow it became one of the coolest watches on the internet, and people call it the Pope watch. And after wearing the Casio MQ-24 for a while, I completely understand why. A super simple ultraweight lightweight analog watch that has become famous because of its clean design and crazy affordability. And honestly, this watch proves that simplicity can look beautiful. The first thing that you notice is how minimal this watch looks. No flashy dial, no huge branding, no complicated features, just a clean black dial, simple white markers, and classic hands. And that's exactly why it works. It has this old school timeless vibe that looks good with literally anything. T-shirt, formal shirt, hoodie, it fits all of them. And because of how slim and lightweight it is, it almost disappears on your wrist. This watch also got famous online because people noticed that Pope Francis was wearing a super affordable Casio instead of an expensive luxury watch. And that made people appreciate this watch even more because it represents simplicity, no flex, no showing off, just wearing something practical and honest. I genuinely love wearing this watch casually. It's so lightweight that you forget it's even there. The strap is basic resin but comfortable enough for daily use. And the best part, you don't have to think before wearing it. No fear of scratches, no stress, just grab it and go. And honestly, that freedom is underrated. Of course, at this price, there are compromises. There is no backlight, no water resistance for serious use. The resin glass can scratch over time, and yes, it feels inexpensive in hand, but that's also part of the charm. This watch is not pretending to be luxury. I think every watch collection should have one watch like this. A simple watch, a no nonsense watch, a watch that reminds you that style is not about price. For under rupees 1200, the Casio MQ-24 gives you timeless design, amazing comfort, reliable Casio quartz movement, and effortless everyday style. And honestly, that's incredible value. So should you buy the Casio MQ-24? Absolutely yes. Especially if you are starting your watch collection, want a clean minimalist watch, or just want something affordable that still looks classy. This little Casio has more personality than many expensive watches, and that's why people still love it. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and tell me what's your favorite affordable Casio watch. Thank you.